Right, team, in today's video, we're talking about long-form video content, specifically long-form content that helps you close high-ticket deals in your DMs without sales calls, because the idea that you need tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, even millions of views to make incredible money as an online expert is absolute bullshit. So in this video, I'm gonna help you make long-form content that bangs, that you can make in just a couple of hours per week, that requires no editors, no crazy thumbnails, and frankly is almost laughably easy to make. And I know this works, okay? Because it's exactly what I've been testing for the past 12 months, and I have the data to back it up now. I've collected over 5 million data points from over 100 multi-six and seven-figure online experts over the past 2 years. We're talking creators making big bucks with tiny micro-cult audiences, and the numbers are clear. There are two metrics most closely linked to leverage and the holy grail of high-ticket closing. Closing 5, 10, 15, 20K plus deals without sales calls. What are those metrics? Okay, the king metric of leverage is long-form content view hours, okay? Simply put, how much time on brand are your audience spending with you? And the queen metric of leverage is your email list size. Simply put, how many contacts can you pull off social media and into building a business asset that you own, okay? And that's safe from the wrath of the algorithm gods. Because ultimately, if you rely on just these platforms to communicate with your audience, you're quite literally risking your whole business. If and when one day Instagram decides to ban or shadow ban you, which does happen. Now, if you're an online expert and want to know how to build a business with leverage, I've got a free roadmap and mini course for you. Yes, it is just a simple 3-minute daily read into your email inbox for the next 7 days. You can grab it down in the description box below. I call it 6 to 7 figures in 7 days. I know, I'm a genius, I know. It is just my brain straight into yours in just 3 minutes a day. What do you want? What do you want? Like Neo from the fucking Matrix, straight into your brain, okay? Just go grab it. It's epic. So like I said, last year I decided to run an experiment. Now, because I come from a science and a medical background, our #1 core value in my consulting business is fuck around and find out, okay? Essentially, it is a tasteful and eloquent way of describing the scientific method. So I decided to take a big fat spoonful of my own medicine and run a test. Now, here's the problem, okay? Most experts don't actually understand the true function of long-form content. They think it's about giving people the chance to spend time with them. You know, bingers are buyers or something like that. That's what people say, that's what I've heard, but why though? Why, when one binges, doth one buyeth? Why? Long-form content is about one thing: building reciprocity, aka goodwill with your audience. If you've read the book Influence, The Science of Persuasion by our mate Robbie Cialdini, you'll know what I'm talking about. Every long-form piece of content you post is a deposit into your reciprocity bank account. And because long-form content views compound, because YouTube is an evergreen search engine, those deposits act as an investment that pays you for months and years. So last year, after working with over 100 clients to help them get started with long-form content, I decided it was time to run an experiment. I wanted to know if by Monday lunchtime, I could win the entire week by posting a super valuable piece of long-form content hyper-specifically targeted to my perfect future client that acted as an evergreen sales asset that drove authority and conversion, created multiple lead magnets without having to make pointless PDFs or GPTs that fucking no one uses, and was easy as shit to make. I wanted to see if I could strap a nuke to the start of my week in the laziest and least effort way possible. Nuclear results with maximum laziness. Could I double my YouTube output and also make one more fat investment into my reciprocity bank account and do it with no editors, no cinematic look, no emotional music, no fancy thumbnails, no production budget, no flashy edits or sound effects, just me, my cam, a mic, and a comically large, oversized whiteboard, and one clear belief-shifting idea per week, targeted specifically for just my perfect future client. 6-figure to 7-figure online educators looking to scale to their first 7-figure year. Could I do this? Could I do all of this, all resulting in a simple, boring, ugly 20 to 50-minute lecture? Well, I mean, you've seen how authentic and raw content has been the meta for pretty much the past 2 years now, since like Sam Sulek merged on the bodybuilding scene. And that's why Yap content has become the biggest trend recently on short form platforms like Instagram and TikTok. The secret behind the weekly lecture that I give and that I have been giving for a year is that it gives my audience the chance to truly get to know me. No filter, no retakes, no scripted lines, just me, my raw, authentic thoughts, and a fresh bottle of South Downs natural mineral sparkling water. If you know, you know. So on June the 4th, 2025, the whiteboard of truth was introduced to the world with my very first lecture. 12 months later, the results of the experiment are in. 23 lectures, 42,593 total views, 3,600 total view hours, and 2,247 subscribers. But most importantly, I hit my main goal. An evergreen, long-form piece of content invested into the reciprocity bank account, done. In 3 hours, start to finish by Monday lunch. The week officially won. 3 hours in. The rest of the week, in my opinion, everything else is now a bonus. Chilled, relaxed, and happy knowing that I'd done the hardest part, because this is truly the biggest thing holding experts back from success with long-form content. If you're like I was 13 months ago, or pretty much every other online expert out there, you're probably leaving your long-form content until Thursdays to make. At least that was what I was doing. Okay, I was doing on Thursdays, would be my long form content day, but Thursdays always turned into Fridays, and then some Fridays they just turned into absolutely fuck all. Because, well, look, Fridays. What more can I say? Which means the most important thing that you can do each week doesn't actually get done. So what chance do you have when you're up against creators with giant media teams cranking out 20 videos per day like Hormozi's doing on his new channel? The good news is the experiment validated another thesis of mine, that you don't need tens of thousands of views to make incredible money. You just need a few hundred to 1,000 views of your perfect future client, sharing a perspective each time you show up that helps shift their beliefs about how things should be done. I mean, let's just put it into perspective, okay? 500 views is a goddamn IMAX. It's an IMAX cinema of people listening to your every word. So one of our clients in Scale 20, Evan, recently decided to run a similar experiment. He'd been posting on YouTube for years, right? He'd invested loads into trying to make YouTube work. So a few months ago, he was like, fuck this, and decided to make a second raw channel. He lowered and removed all of the barriers that were creating friction before, and he just started filming himself every day in his car with an Osmo Pocket 3 cam, just suction cup to the windscreen. And now, a few months later, he's just had a record month after record month after record month. He's just hit his first 50K month last month. But the cool part is he's now built enough leverage that he's closing these deals in the DMs for the first time. Because the reason bingers become buyers is because when you install a new belief system in someone around a specific way of doing things related to their core desires, you motivate them to get their ass off the fence. And in our world, as online experts, our only job is transferring ass off fence energy into our audience. And when we've stacked enough deposits in our reciprocity bank account, that's when we start getting inbound DMs from our audiences, simply saying, I'm in, send me the link. Now, if it was just as simple as pressing record, then we'd all be creator trillionaires, wouldn't we? But you ain't, I ain't. So I've helped a bunch of people make big bucks with boring content. I've done it myself, but the secret, especially in an AI world where content is flooding the platforms, is how do you become an attractive character worth listening to in the first place? And to learn how to do that, you'll need to go watch this video next. Right, that was sick. I'll see you in the next one.